HankoTrade is a reputable broker, and also GatesFX is. But in my opinion, GatesFX is taking off because they have that integration with TradeLocker and MT5, and they do unlimited deposit bonuses now, right? So every time you upload money, their broker is going to match your deposit. So if you deposit 500 bucks, they're gonna credit you $500, which is just crazy. They also have a copy-trader coming soon, which is amazing. But let's get into some of the differences, because I know a lot of people are starting to inquire about Gates, and I wanna just kind of highlight some of the benefits for both GatesFX and also Hanko. So as you can see on my computer, they have that 100% deposit bonus, right? So basically you can just double your account. You can trade on either TradeLocker or MT5, but down here you're gonna see that 100% deposit bonus, right? So every deposit is matched 100% unlimited times. You get up to 500 leverage, and you can trade on either MT5 or TradeLocker, and you're gonna get all the tools, right? You're gonna get all the instruments, FX, you're gonna get metals, indices, and energies. ECN, you're gonna get up to 1,000 leverage, which is crazy. And same thing, you can trade on MetaTrader or TradeLocker, and then you're gonna get futures, some stocks, US stocks, crypto, energies, FX, and metals, right? So right here, here's some accolades, right? They have over 306,000 traders trading on GatesFX. And this is right here, this is amazing. 720,000 withdrawals approved already. And what they pride themselves in is your withdrawal will be deposited into your crypto wallet within 2 hours guaranteed. So I've never had any issues with the withdrawals. And you know, I just love TradeLocker because it reminds me, it's like 95% trading view. Like it's literally the same, you know what I mean? And that's why a lot of people are going to GatesFX, not because it's, you know, the best broker in the entire world and you know all that. It's a reliable and reputable broker, but TradeLocker is just a really great platform to trade on. Lightning speed execution, along with just really good technology for a modern day trader, okay? HankoTrade, let's go to HankoTrade. So very similar, right? You have $100 minimum deposit, right? You get up to 500 leverage, and you get all of the Forex pairs. You get the same sort of instruments that you can trade, right? So Forex, metals, energies, indices like US, NAS 100, things of that nature. You can do the hedging. You can incorporate EAs and everything, right? And you know, their execution speed is pretty good. They also have really good reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars, according to Trustpilot. But here is the one thing that is interesting. They don't integrate with MT5. They don't integrate with TradeLocker. And they have their own platform called HankoX. And sorry, I got something in my nose. They have their own trading platform called HankoX. And let's be honest, it's a little clunky, it's a little dated. They don't have really like that risk calculator that's super dynamic like TradeLocker. And that's the only reason for me personally why I kind of stayed towards GatesFX and some of the other brokers that integrate with TradeLocker, okay? It was nothing personal, it's just business. TradeLocker is the best trading platform to execute trades on. You know, I can share my active trade, I can share how much I made, and it's kind of like a certificate thing where you post it on your Instagram or whatever. I just think that's really cool. MetaTrader's cool, you know what I mean? But I just really like TradeLocker. It's just a great platform. But you know, anybody out there that is looking to learn how to trade on TradeLocker, I actually have a TradeLocker tutorial, so I'll provide that up here somewhere. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of just share my opinions, my thoughts. You know, this isn't like a super serious video, but I definitely want to shed light on why GatesFX is starting to bubble and starting to trend, and you're probably hearing more people talk about GatesFX. And the main reason is they integrate with TradeLocker and they have that really cool deposit bonus. So I'll share some resources in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. But yeah, let me know your thoughts if you've been trading on HankoX. And just let me know if that experience has been good. And if there's anybody out there that is trading with a different broker and they're having really good experience, let me know so I can check it out and do a review on it, right? I want to check them out so I can educate my people. I have like over 5,000 subscribers now, which is crazy. And yeah, I just want to educate and enlighten everybody. You know, trading is a lonely sport, it feels like sometimes, you know, and I just want everybody to succeed. So, you know, thanks for tuning in, but just wanted to shed light. See you guys.